Have you ever tried making a good sunny side up fried egg for your breakfast and ended up cooking something like this? Welcome to Olive Masala. Today I'm going to show you guys a super easy way to make the perfect sunny side up fried egg. Just crack an egg into a hot non-stick pan. You don't have to grease the pan with oil or butter. Now drizzle a few drops of water into the pan and cover it with the lid. After a minute, you can turn off the flame and leave it just like that for a minute or two. Our smooth and shiny egg is ready. Please don't replace the spatula with your hand, guys. I'm only trying to show you how easily the egg slides off the pan. Thank you very much for watching Olive Masala. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. See you again soon.